Dak ba kyrmen ba Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kan job sipo haduh khatsan ngut kiamali na ka election nong Thawan sa yeng darbar ka jala Meghalaya ka banlong haka arnyotrik rumpang arjar pulai presiden ka BJP Meghalaya unit ba Ernest Mauri haka kandai teri kulalengkot ulong ba ka party kan pynīeng kyrtong na baroh ripo tylli Constituency ulong ba ka kyrmen ba ka BJP kan job na ki sipo haduh khatsan tylli Constituency kalong ba katkum na ka jingjurip ka seng bat ki agency simen ulai thu ba haduh mentai ki don sispa arflai ngut ki nongpan tiket na kaseng ya ka ba kaseng kan sasim ya karai.
As a president, I have present the report in front of all the national office bearer, national president, and in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister, Union Minister, all they are present in the meeting. I have present that we are having total 60 seats, main 60 constituency, where we are having 13 districts, that is 11 administration district and 2 organization district, that is Shillong City and Tura City. And we are having here 36 mandal, including Khasi Giant Hills, and we are having 24 mandal in Kyrwoh. Total voters I have present in my report. We have 21,61,000 voters, and from the party we have identified 32 seats, that is active seat, and the rest we have in the C category. And last election, that is 2018, we have got the vote share of 9.7%. But this time we have already conducted a survey in all the constituency, mandal wise. We have the chance of going up to 20 to 25% vote share. That is our survey. And in this election, from the party, after we conduct the survey, that is first phase, second phase, third phase survey, we are getting that the indication from the survey, we are going to win from 10 to 15 seats. That is our survey report. That is main like project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party, this seat which we are projecting, like this potential seat, because you see there will be a great national party A, B, C category. So this seat which I have already highlighted just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more than that seat. From different constituency, like in some constituency we are having multiple application, main like 3, 4, even like Dalu, for example, we are having 4 aspirant, main applicant, and even in the Mahandragan, we are having 6 applicants. So that is going on, and I think immediately we are going to convene a state election committee where we will send all the names of the candidate to Central Parliamentary Committee for approval. In the State Election Committee, we are sending all the names to Delhi, to our central office, and you know, the Honorable Prime Minister, he is the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee Board. In that committee, they will clear all the candidates' names. You see, we are a national party. Unless the Election Commission declare the date, we cannot announce our candidate. And you know, even I think the Congress also officially they have not announced. Only this regional party, they have announced. But we as a national party, we have already, they have declared the date from the Election Commission. We are under process. We are going to declare the name of the candidate immediately.